Let's consider a situation where you have actually registered your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission and now you discover that that business name is likely to mislead the public, or the public is likely to think that it's another person that's actually operating that business. That is somebody that they already know that is in that line of business. You can apply to the Corporate Affairs Commission to change your name. But for you to change your name with Corporate Affairs Commission, you must, as a company, secure a special resolution by members of the company, or and then you also get approval from the commission. But if it is a company that is limited, a public limited company, you now want to just change the words to and replace it with limited, you might not actually need to go through all those processes. You can just apply to the Corporate Affairs Commission and change the name. So where you are sure that it's out of inadvertence or any other reason, you can actually proceed to change the name that you have already registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, once this is done, they will now enter the Corporate Affairs Commission has a register where it has all the business names. They will have to enter the new name into the register, and then they'll issue you a new certificate, which means that the previous certificate that you had when you first registered that name will no longer be valid. You'll now be operating your business under the new name, under the new certificate that contains the new name that you have now submitted to the Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, for those who have understanding of the law of thought, where we talk about passing off. Passing off is where you trade in another person's business name that you want to deceive the public and make the public believe that you are trading, that is that actually that person who owns that business that is trading in that thing. So where you have a business name that closely resembles another, the law frowns against it, or you intend to use it to defraud the people, to deceive the public into believing that a particular thing, business is in existence, the law is also against it. So I think that is also what necessitates the provision of this act, so that you don't mislead the public. There should be integrity in business. That is why two businesses cannot have the same name. You cannot register two businesses in one name. Every business has its own name, and once that name is registered with CAC, they will issue you a certificate. But should it now happen that, okay, out of inadvertence, there's already a business that is in place, in existence, that has that name, or they resemble together, you can come back to CAC. I want to change my name. And once that change is effected, they will put that new name in their register that they keep there in the commission, and then give you a new certificate. Now, let me show you something from my papers here that relates to passing off. Now, when you are marketing a product as that of the plaintiff, the person who brings the action before the court, you are now a person who is now trying to tell the court, you're defending yourself before the court, and you say no, this is my business and all that. But the plaintiff, the person who has brought an action against you in court, is actually telling the court that, look, this person is marketing this business as if it is my own. This person is selling this product as if it is my own. Now, you market goods under a trade name already appropriated for good of that kind by the plaintiff, or under a name so similar to the plaintiff's trade name as to be mistaken for it. Okay, you are trading in a particular name that the public can mistake it to be belonging to the person who is complaining that, yeah, don't use this name. Okay, so these are grounds where you can change your name, where the person who is also using that name, that business name, from his action, from his conduct, you can see that this is a calculated attempt to deceive the public. Such name is qualified and due for a change. This is Xavier Law Essence. Can we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decision, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself? Okay, hope you have learned something today. See you again. Bye.